Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you what to do if your Galaxy S20 can't send MMS or picture messages. A premium phone like the S20 shouldn't have issues sending and receiving multimedia messages, but it seems like some owners are having problems with it. If you're one of them, then here's what you should do. First solution, make sure mobile data is enabled. Your phone must be connected to a mobile data network to be able to send and receive MMS, so that should be the first thing you must check. Here's how you do that. Launch Settings and tap Connections. Tap Data Usage and then tap the switch next to Mobile Data. If it's disabled in the first place, then enabling it will fix the problem. However, if it's already enabled, then disable it for a few seconds and then enable it back. If this doesn't fix the problem, try the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. What you have to do next is refresh the memory of your phone by doing the forced restart. There are times when minor glitches occur, and when that happens, problems like this will occur. So here's what you need to do. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time and hold them both for 10 seconds. It will force your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the reboot is finished. After the restart, try sending an MMS to your own number and see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, reset the network settings. Resetting the network settings will reset all the network services in your phone, and that includes the services for the mobile data. It will also reset the APN back to its default values. Here's how you do it. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button and if prompted, enter your security lock. Now tap the Reset button to proceed with the settings reset. After doing this, try to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution, factory reset your phone. After doing the first three solutions and your Galaxy S20 is not able to send or receive MMS, then you should consider doing the factory reset to rule out all possibilities that it's a problem with the firmware. Here's how it's done. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and then choose Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap the Reset button. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Delete All and enter your password. Tap Done to proceed with the factory reset. Once the reset is complete, set up your phone as a new device and try sending an MMS. If the problem persists, then call your service provider, as there can be an issue with your account. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.